here to tell y'all the dangers of drugs. See, drugs ruin our family and our lives forever.
Ever.
Yeah, forever, ever. Forever, ever. Forever, ever. Anyway. Okay, we got some rhymes here, and we're gonna make a few videos for y'all. Tell you all about the dangers of drugs. Alright, and go. Sitting on the corner, waiting for something to happen. I look to my right and then I start crapin. I see the ride there on the bench with me. I was like, oh no, it's the elephant of frnch streat. Smiled and asked for $1.25. So I called my momz and I asked her for a ride. I needed to get out there and back into my hood. Trippin on rocks is never good.